Saves money on oil. Efficient 4:4 oil to food ratio makes 4 big servings with just 4 cups of oil. Built-in, preset thermostat for perfect frying every time. Non-stick surface, inside and out, for easy cleaning. Handy scoop lifts, drains, and serves. No messy basket. Compact size for easy storage. Makes crispy French fries, shrimp, chicken, onion rings and more. Fries delicious deep-fried foods, fast and easy. Makes crispy French fries, shrimp, chicken, onion rings and more. Maintains the perfect frying temperature automatically. Efficient 4:4 oil to food ratio makes 4 big servings with just 4 cups of oil, saving money on oil. Handy scoop lifts, drains, and serves. No messy basket. Snap-on lid stores oil without spills or odor. Non-stick surface, inside and out, for easy cleaning. Compact size for easy storage. Presto FryDaddy electric deep fryer, for cup capacity, 120 volts AC, 1200 watts. Top reviews from the United States. Easy. Perfect size for single or couple. If 3 or more, I would recommend going up to the bigger size. It has one temperature, plug it in and it heats the oil quickly. Don't try to move it once plugged and the outside is hot. Makes excellent fried food.